Students, now we are going to learn about the cross in sweet pea, that is Lathyrus odoratus. We are going to see the cross of coupling. So here the dominant character is purple flower and long pollen tube, and it is dominant and recessive. Recessive character is, instead of purple here, red flower with round pollen tube. So you have taken the two characteristic features, one is dominant, another one is recessive. The dominant flower will be having purple color flower with long pollen tube, and recessive characters will be the flower of red and round pollen grains. So he pollen tubes. Now he is crossing this two and finding the ratio of coupling. Let's learn. So because of the linkage, they are not allow the recombination. Because of the linkage, so linked gene does not allow the recombination. Hence why we are going to get the ratio of 7:1:1:7. Let's learn the cross. So it will be having homozygous, that is parallel, crossed with recessive character. This is purple flower with long pollen tube. Here this is red flower with round pollen tube. So this is parent progeny. Okay. So in parent progeny, so what is the gamete, possibility gamete here? The possibility gamete is capital P, capital L, and here both are same, no? So possibility is one only. So here also the possibility gamete is small p and small l. So this is purple flower and long pollen tube. Here red flower and round pollen. So while in F1 generation, what we are going to get? F1 generation, we are going to get capital P, capital L and small p, small l. So here the dominant will be capital P, so the flower will be purple flower, and the pollen also capital L is there and dominant, so it is with long pollen tube. So this is parental character is crossing the purple flower, long pollen tube, flower with a red flower and round pollen tube. What is the gamete we will be getting? For that the gamete will be capital P, capital L, and for this the gamete will be small p, small l. If we crossing these two parent gametes, we will be getting the F1 generation will be capital P, capital L, small p, small l. So the F1 progeny will be purple flower and long pollen tube. All the gametes will be having the similar physical property. And in F2 generation, for F2 generation, here they are doing a test cross. What do you mean by test cross? So F1 generation hybrid is crossed with the recessive parent. So what is test cross? For getting F2 generation for here, the F1 generation is crossed with test cross. What does mean test cross? F1 hybrid is crossed with recessive parent. So this is the meaning of test cross. So now we are going to do the test cross for getting F2 generations. So what is the F1 generation hybrid is this? So it is crossed with F1. For F1 is this, that capital P, capital L and small against both are similar. So we will get the possibility gamete will be small p and here. Let's learn the F2 generation, how we will be getting here. So capital P, capital L, then small p, small l, crossed with the what it is, test to cross recessive parent. So these both the gametes are same. So we are writing one possibility gamete, that is small p and small l. So like if you cross this, what you going to get? So here the possibility is what? Capital P gamete will be, possibility gamete will be capital P and capital L. Then these are possibility gametes. 4 gametes are possible from this. Capital P, small l, small p, capital L, and small p, small l. So these are the possibility gametes from this F1 hybrid. So now for doing test cross. If you are doing test cross, what we are going to get? What we are going to get? I am drawing here. So I will rub this and I will write clearly here the F2 generation. You clear about the F1 generation now? So what is the F1 generation? We are getting this hybrid. So now we are doing F2 generation. That is what? The F1 hybrid will be getting the possibility gamete, this one. It is crossed with the that is what? Recessive parent. We will be getting capital P, capital L. Then what? Small p, small l. Then next one, capital P, small l, small p, small l. Next one, small p, capital L, small p, small l. And next one, small p, small l, small p, small l. So here this will be purple flower with dominant is long pollen. Here this is a recombinant character. What it is? Purple with round. Here this also new recombinant, that is a red with long, and this one is red and round. So red flower, purple flower, round pollen tube, red flower, long pollen tube, red flower, round pollen tube. So this is what? Purple color, and these two are parental character, and these two are newly formed recombinant character. Here the ratio what they got. So maximum test to cross, the ratio has to be the expected ratio for test to cross is 1:1:1:1. But instead of that, what they got in this research, 44 is purple and long tube, 6 is purple and round, 6 is red and long, and 44 is red and round. If it is that is divided by 6, you will be getting the ratio of 7:1:1:7. So this is the ratio of what? Coupling. What is the ratio of what? This one 7:1:1 is a ratio of coupling, or otherwise called as cis configurations. So expected is 1:1:1:1, but